4-week bulking transformation diet. We've put together some nutritional information and some examples of foods to eat on your 4-week bulking diet to help aid your bulking transformation and build a bigger body. Hydration. When you're bulking, you'll need to keep yourself well hydrated. 1.5 to 2 liters per day or 6 to 8 glasses of water. To increase your caloric intake, you could also drink milk for additional protein, a perfect evening drink before bed to keep that protein synthesis in the black. You could consider a product such as Micellar Casein for a tasty slow-releasing protein powder. Fruit juices can add extra sugar which can be useful post-workout, but limit this to once or twice per week. Carbohydrate. Unlike a cut, where you need to cut down on carbohydrates, those on a bulk can and should enjoy plenty of carbs. Hence, the harder you can train, the more likely you are to build mass. Stick to whole grains as opposed to processed refined carbs which quickly spike blood sugar and can be stored as fat. However, post-training simple carbohydrates are useful. They quickly spike insulin levels, and insulin increases protein synthesis and decreases muscle breakdown.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
Protein. Protein is the key nutrient when it comes to bulking transformations, as it's the nutrient responsible for supporting lean muscle development. On a bulk, every meal should contain protein, and you should aim for 2 g per kg of body weight per day. Fat. Time to debunk the fat myth. Fat is energy dense and should be a firm part of your diet. It goes without saying, of course, to limit the saturated or trans fat, but bulk out the healthy fats. If you don't already, grab for the peanut butter, nuts, avocado, coconut oil, oily fish. Supplements. On a bulk, it can be tough to eat the excess calories when you don't have an appetite. Thankfully, there are certain supplements that make life far easier. Mass gainers such as ProGain or ProGain Extreme can be just the support you need, as they can add calories to your diet without the need to force down a meal. Creatine is another great supplement and is suited to our 4-week bulk. Your first week is a loading phase and the following 3 are maintenance. Creatine helps aid short bursts of high-intensity exercise, which means you can lift a little harder, which in turn increases hypertrophy. Creatine monohydrate could be added to any drink, such as a fruit juice or protein shake.
If you liked the video, save it to your phone and share it with your friends. And for more curiosity about the human body, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.